let me show you your main Firefly, where we're going to find a couple things right off the back. So once we just tap on it, we're going to find here to the right 3 tanks. You're going to have your fresh water, which is your good feed water, gray, whatever goes down the sink, black, whatever goes down the toilet. Right next to it, you're going to have your heater tanks, or your tank heaters, which heat up the tanks on winter time, and your water pump. If it goes blue, it means it's running. Now at the bottom, you will have 2 batteries. One is the chassis that cranks the engine, everything original Mercedes, and the house battery, which is for everything in the back of the van. Make sure that one doesn't go below 12 volts. If it does, just plug it in for 24 hours and you should be good to go. Now, we're going to go here to the left into the little light bulbs, which is your lightings. Lights, master lights off and on. And you can actually turn these individually as you like. And you can just dim the lights by pressing once here to the top right. To deactivate it, just hit master lights on and you're good to go. The Thunderbolt, this is going to be here for your battery reading. The same thing you saw at the house. And your inverter, you don't have to mess with it. Down here at the thermostat, you're going to have your climate control, which you're going to select manually, cool or heat. Or you can just hit auto and it will try to, get to the temperature that you have set up. Now you can have here, if you hit cool, you can set up low, mid, or high, depending what speed fan you want. And you're going to have down here your settings if you need to change anything on the Firefly to your liking.